Improving customer relationships is at the heart of every successful business, and with the right CRM tool, you can take it to the next level. In this video, we'll look at how TeamGate CRM can help you strengthen those relationships and give you more time to focus on what really matters, your customers. Stay tuned, because we're also going to explore some strong alternatives to TeamGate that might better suit your needs by the end of this video. First up, TeamGate CRM is a platform that really emphasizes simplicity. One of the biggest strengths of TeamGate is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to help you hit the ground running without a steep learning curve. When you sign in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that organizes all your tasks, contacts, deals, and activities into one place. This makes it super easy to stay on top of everything and keep track of your interactions with each customer, allowing you to build stronger, more personalized relationships. Next thing, TeamGate offers robust customer interaction tracking. This feature allows you to log emails, calls, meetings, and notes directly on the customer's profile. It's perfect for understanding the entire history of a customer's journey with you. This level of detail is critical for improving customer relationships because it ensures that you're always prepared for your next interaction and can offer the most personalized experience possible. The fourth thing to note is TeamGate's automated workflows. These save you time by automating repetitive tasks like follow-up emails, appointment reminders, and lead nurturing. By automating these tasks, you not only free up time to focus on more strategic efforts, but you also ensure that no customer is ever forgotten or neglected. When customers feel consistently cared for and valued, it directly impacts their loyalty to your brand. Moving on to the next point, TeamGate also integrates with a wide range of other software platforms. Think email marketing tools, social media, and calendar apps. This makes it easier to synchronize your customer data across multiple platforms, ensuring you have a comprehensive view of each customer's interactions with your business. These integrations save time and make your CRM more powerful and connected to all the tools you already use. Now, while TeamGate CRM does have these solid features, it may not be for everyone. Some users find the customization options a bit limiting, and depending on the size of your business, the price could be higher than you're willing to pay for the functionality it offers. It's important to weigh the value TeamGate offers against your specific needs and budget. Now let's talk about alternatives that may be better suited to improving customer relationships. One such option is HubSpot CRM, which is a great alternative if you need a CRM with deeper customization options and a more robust feature set for managing a larger team. HubSpot's free version is highly regarded, and you can upgrade as your needs grow. Another solid alternative is Zoho CRM, which also includes excellent automation and reporting tools that can help you manage customer interactions and improve engagement. It's especially useful for small to mid-sized businesses and comes at a more affordable price point compared to TeamGate. Finally, I want to mention that if you're still intrigued by TeamGate, we have an exclusive and extended free trial available through the link in the description below. Plus, as a bonus for sticking with us to the end, we've got the best alternatives with free trials as well, which might just be a better fit for your goal of improving customer relationships. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking to really take your customer relationships to the next level, give one of these platforms a try and see what works best for you.